edge to edge like this, and this will make it flush well. Okay, so I can download sample ads from Google. I can serve that purpose. Let's just say marketplace banner. Okay, let's use any of these fancy banners. I'll use this one, Nigeria.com, connectnigeria.com. So it's just the image that I want to use, not like we are doing something serious with it. So we're not using the image either for anything, just to place on this design. So we click on it, go to fill, just for a demonstration purpose only, please take note. So we get the downloads, attach the image just for demonstration purpose only. So look at what we have. So underneath, remember our theme for this website is basically green and white. So under this place, we need to have our white. So we put the white color there. This is where the slider of the images will be sliding one by one, according to the one that the user clicked. So we also want to zoom close now, and then here we put our search bar. So the first one is the category. The person can actually choose the category he's looking for. So we make this to be 100% pixel. It's going to have a stroke. The stroke should be a little bit thicker, like 2, and then the fill color should be white. Yeah, white is cool because we are working with green. The stroke should have green color so that everything we're doing here will be in unison. So here we will need to write a description that helps the person to know what you expected to choose from here. So select product category, or just say filter by category. It's much polished, so we will make it light, not thick. Take it inside there. It's too big, narrow it down to like 32 is cool. At the center of the page, then here we get your polygon, drop it here. We need to zoom in, sketch it upside down, zoom in again, increase it gently, and then turn it to the same color that your work has, which is this, to show that this is a select, but you can select options using it. So that's for that. Then the next is Control D. You take it this way. See, this select by category is too big, so I will need to take it closer. Filter by category is too big, so I will stop at this point and then drag this closer. So this one will be for you to search by category, by the name of the product. So the name of the product, Control D. What are you looking for? Is the question. So what would you like to buy? question. So I'll need lens. So let's find a lens. We place that search lens on top of it. So it's not showing. As we call it search. Let's see if we can find search. Search is here. Okay, download the SVG format. I'll zoom in using image to find him, which is here, and then I believe he's here already. It's not here. Let's find where it dropped. It's not here yet. So go back, get it again. Look at the magnifying image, drag it, change the fill color immediately to that same green, and we're good. We're very sorry, Ctrl Z. We are very good now. So with this, I can extend it. Let's see what our full page looks like. These are full page in its biggest size, and then here's it. What would you like to buy? So right now, my own judgment, these three things are so large. So let's make them smaller. They are too large. Very. So something like 15 is good for them. Bold. Why this can also be smaller. Okay, so I can come here, take it here slowly. Yeah, this one should be smaller as well. Better. So this should also be smaller. Then the right up inside it should be made smaller as well. I can ungroup. It seems like it's already ungrouped, so better. Sign in. So for this, we need to get the measurement for him. I don't know if I'm getting it. Okay, I am. So the text itself, the text is 15. So this text here should be 15 as well. Okay, we've gotten the 15 that we need. So right now, I will select all of them minus the background that is holding it, group it, and then place it at the center. So it's much more better for mobile view than what we had earlier. So we need the button for the support desk, so which I will get, let's say, phone, or let's say support. I can call it the help desk. Okay, so we go back here, import the SVG file. So you make it white. The write up is FAQ/forum. So group, click on it again. Sorry, I've not been recording. I never knew this automatically stopped. So, but we'll move on to where we stopped. We're still working on the design. So, click on it on group. Go straight to the image. Change it to whatever you want. To bits. Dr. Gray. Wireless headset with Bluetooth. So the price is cheaper, 12,000. Price for this is 500. Why the price for this one is 25,000. So you can also ungroup this one as well. So I need to extend the page. Click on the MacBook, that's the frame, extend it. So right now, select everything, duplicate it, Ctrl Z, duplicate it and hold shift to drag it down so that you have uniform space under. So I just did that and it has scrolled down. So what we have right now is for another tab. So I'll choose another menu for it. So for this one, there's going to be a navigation that shows that individuals who would like to see more about this product can see by panning to the right or to the left, so that it will be easier for them to scroll around. So and because of that, that's why we're going to have this narrowed down to something like this. Okay, just a description of what's on it. So this is going to be white, why this is going to be the same color but now curved, full curve. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So where the color is going to be a little bit darker. So I want you to come to the front of the page. It's not responding as supposed. It's not responding at all. So let me go back to how it used to be. So I will make it 100 and I'll drag it down. So it means that use a navigation. Scroll here to see more coming from this side. So I will need an arrow that will help the developer to understand what you mean. So arrows, I need the one that points to the right, a stylish arrow. that points to the right. So something like this, the south. So we get it here and then we place it here. Okay, so we also need to make it clear that person can actually pan left and right. Yeah, okay. So we need similar here, group, Control D, bring it down. So this other menu, the name, if this one is called featured, what should we call this? We will call it best selling. The best selling products that are selling highly, greatly in the market. So we will need to get some pictures to place here to get so that it doesn't look the same. So let's just get one or two images there. I can use images of HP, Pavilion, Gaming. Look at the beast here, some of the best systems. So I will save this. Then I will also need to download another one of the best selling stuff in the market. I can actually say my file. I call this modems. So this one is best selling. So I can also come here, say that one of the best selling is a gaming keyboard. I'll save it. And also the fourth one, mouse. Computer mouse. Prefer this one. So let's work on it. On group, click, attach the image. Call it for